What is the glyx-diät? Vertical bar testing and experiments. Specialists consider full 6 slim down to be an especially solid and tender way to lose weight. I myself can definitely earn something from the system. The concept is based on the glycemic index of different foods. This indicates the effect of food on the level of sugar in the blood. Here is my experience with the glyx-diät. Glyx-diät philosophy. In foods with a high glycemic index, the carbohydrates they contain are digested very quickly, causing blood sugar levels to rise relatively quickly. A typical example of this is white bread, which should be avoided during the diet. On the other hand, if you eat foods with a low glycemic index, your blood sugar level will rise slowly. As a result, the body has to produce less insulin to balance blood sugar levels. An important point in the diet is to distinguish between good and bad carbohydrates, especially good carbohydrates are found in dairy products, fruits, vegetables, and whole grain products, dextrose polished rice, and white bread, on the other hand, is bad carbohydrates. Fruits and vegetables. As the basis of the glyx-diät, the basis of the glyx-diät is fruits, vegetables, and whole grain products. During the diet, you should avoid white bread, sweets, and pasta, except for whole grains. These foods cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels and increased insulin production. As a result, they contribute to an increase in body fat. In addition, foods with a high glycemic index have an appetite-stimulating effect and are therefore often responsible for food cravings. So I recommend the following. You should primarily use cold-pressed vegetable oils such as olive oil to prepare your food. This includes foods such as eggs, poultry, nuts, legumes, and dairy products on the menu. In order to remove toxins from the body, it is recommended to introduce a few days of soup at the beginning of the diet. The goal of the diet is to eat more good carbohydrates and discard the bad as much as possible. The main pillars of the glyx-diät: foods with a high glycemic index such as white bread, peeled rice, potatoes, lemon juice, or sweets are avoided during the diet. The list includes foods with a low glycemic index such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Nutrition during the diet also includes vegetable oils, eggs, legumes, dairy products. Regular exercise is part of the program in addition to the diet. The decisive factor here is that the sports activity adapts to the load capacity of the body. The glyx-diät is more aimed at short-term weight loss. However, it is not suitable as a long-term nutritional concept because some important nutrients are missing. However, the truth is that foods with a high glycemic index should also be avoided outside the diet.